everyone, welcome to D3FL. Today I'm giving you a tour of the room I'm staying in here at the Zebra Plains Mara Camp in the beautiful Maasai Mara National Reserve in Kenya. This room has an incredible view because it looks directly out onto the Talek River, and wildlife passes through this area all the time. When you wake up in the morning, you will see whether it be zebras, elephants, as they walk by. You will hear them too in the night. So let me take you inside and show you what it looks like. So this is our little bar area. We got a full stocked refrigerator, and it's all included. It's all included. It's all included. This is where we sit down. Don't mind the bag. I should move them, but yeah. And yes, guys, it is a tent. It's beautiful. This is a deck where we do work, but they came by and they did our clothes, so it's full there. And yes, laundry service is available. So, and this is the price list for laundry service. And this is just some information that you need to know. They have spa treatment. Maybe give you information. You tell me what kind of camp you can go. Well, look, you have plug-in it, eh? You have outlet. Okay, so this is the door we enter through, and we have our own private entrance, so nobody else come down here. So it's all private. Okay, and we're at the end. Okay. As soon as you walk in, the first thing you notice is how spacious the room is. Everything is set up to give you that safari feel while still being very comfortable. You have a large, comfortable bed right here with mosquito netting, which is very common in safari camps. It not only protects you, but also add to the whole safari experience. Over here, you have bedside tables. You can see they put a light switch in the middle of the bed, so you can easily turn on or access lighting when you want to get up in the night to use the bathroom. You also have security, and these are Maasai, they secure the area as well in the night. Um, the decor is simple but very fitting for being in the middle of nature. Can see it. And this is the toilet. Now, guys, this is a compost toilet, okay? It is a compost toilet. If you want, you can use a tissue and wipe, or you can use this thing here and wash your butt, okay? Yeah, the sink. You have a full shower that can literally hold up to 15 people. You have a sink, and we have double sink and all the essentials you need. It's a compost toilet. Yes, it is. And we're actually in a tent, guys. This is a tent. Okay. What I like is that it keeps the natural feeling but gives you modern comfort. So that's why I call this, what I'm doing right now, I call it glamping. Not just camping, it's glamping. It's a glam, it's glamorous camping. So I call it glamping. It's beautiful. So this is a tent, okay? Just in case you haven't figured it out. It is a tent, private entrance. This is our walk. And this is how we do it. And this is outside. Oh, me lock the door. Uh, you see the old metal of locking door. Okay. So this is outside. Last night we had a lot of bats. I don't know if you ever see bat yet, but these bats were huge. They were so big. And that's a river in our backyard. And right outside here, you have a sitting area where you can relax here on the balcony, listen to the sound of nature, and just take in the view. This is honestly one of my favorite parts of staying here. So that's a quick tour of my room here at the Zebra Plains Mara Camp, overlooking the Talek River in the Maasai Mara National Reserve. If you enjoy travel content, room tours, and experiences like this, make sure you subscribe and follow the journey. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.